Sharing teaches us generosity. It makes us understand the needs of others.
It is rightly said that sharing is caring.
We will narrate an interesting story about sharing and caring.
Once upon a time, there was a little prince who was used to having everything he wanted.
He was so spoiled that he wouldn't let anybody have a new toy if he didn't have it first.
So, if any child in the land wanted a new toy, they had to buy two and give one to the prince.
One day, a mysterious toy maker who invented the most wonderful toys came to the land.
The prince liked his toy so much that he invited him to spend an entire year in the castle. The prince promised him great wealth if he made him a new toy every day. The toy maker set just one condition. My toys are special. They need an owner who will play with them every day.
Will you be able to require a little time to each one every day?
Of course, I will. The little prince repeated important. I'd love to.
Every morning, the prince restored a new toy.
Every day, the toy maker delivered a better toy than the previous days.
Prince appeared very happy, but the toy collection kept growing.
After a few weeks had passed, there were simply too many toys to play with.
One day, the prince put a few toys on the one side, hoping the toy maker wouldn't notice.
One night, the prince was ready to go to bed.
Suddenly, all the toys he set aside lined up in front of him.
They demanded their playtime. They had not been played with.
The little prince had to play with every single toy. He was very tired. Every day he got a new toy, had to play with it and all the others too.
Yet, he could not stop yawning.
The prince was so exhausted and sleepy he barely had the time to enjoy playing.
The toys were also getting angry because the time he spent playing with them was becoming shorter and shorter.
A few weeks later, he only had time to go from one toy to another.
He ate while he played, talked while he played, and slept while he played.
He was constantly changing toys, get confused.
One day, as he was looking out of his window, he saw some children playing with a stone.
I have an idea, he said, and he sent for the children.
The children were worried because they thought the prince want their stone.
But the prince didn't want the stone. Surprisingly, he wanted them to play with him and share his toys.
When they had finished playing, the prince let them take home their favorite toys.
The idea had worked. The prince could enjoy himself without getting tired.
Even better, he had new friends to share his toys and happiness.
He started inviting new children to the castle to share his toys. The year came to an end. The toy maker had to leave.
All the 365 toys he had made had been shared out.
The place had turned into the best playroom in the kingdom. The little prince learned that happiness grows when you share it.
When you share, you learn to also care for other people's feelings.
When you share a chair, you take a friend off the floor.
Sharing with friends who could ask for more.
Give a hug, you get one too.
When you share your feelings, others understand. Tell us when you feel happy, angry, or sad.
And if a friend is lonely, you won't take his hand. Sharing is caring for someone else. It is the place where happiness dwells. Something away, get something back.
All should have, no one should lack.
We hope you enjoyed the story. Keep sharing, keep caring.